the MVA Indicator, which is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. Traders can download the indicator file from this section for the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. And to understand how the indicator functions and operates, you can review this page. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file, and by dragging it onto the chart, we run the indicator. Once the indicator is running on the chart, it will start issuing buy signals and sell signals. The MVA indicator is a unique and practical tool for getting buy and sell signals based on candles crossing and closing above or below two moving average lines. In the settings, under the Inputs tab, we have three parameters. In the first input, we can specify the calculation period for the fast-moving average. In the second parameter, we can also set the calculation period for the slow-moving average. The higher you set these values, based on your trading system and candle closes, the buy and sell signals will be for longer-term periods and will also be more reliable. Conversely, if you lower these values, the signals issued will have less delay, but they will also be less reliable. In the last parameter, we can enable or disable the sound alert for when signals are generated. For example, here I'll set the fast-moving average period to 20 and the slow-moving average period to 120. I'll add two moving averages to this chart right now. As we can see in this section, when a candle closes above the two moving average lines, a buy signal is generated, and when a candle closes below the two moving averages, a sell signal is issued. Or in this part, when a candle closes above the two moving averages, a buy signal is displayed for us. Alright friends, that brings us to the end of this indicator tutorial. We'd love for you to share your thoughts and suggestions with us in the comments section.